Hi guys! So, nandito pala ako ngayon sa labas. Nag-aabang ng bus kasi pupunta ako kasama ng aking makulit na alaga. Ayan o, kaupo. Ng IKEA. Dahil bibili kami ng favorite niyang meatballs. So, ayan, di namin naabutan yung bus. So, maghihintay na naman kami ng 15 minutes para sa next na bus, guys. So, ay, napakainit pala dito, mga madlang people. So, yan. Hintay-hintay muna natin. So, grabing init. Oh my God. So, finally, guys, nandito na ang aming bus. Oh my God. Ang init sa labas. At least malamig na dito. You're not gonna sit down. You're just gonna sit here. What? Why sit with me? You can sit there. So, ayan guys. Dito na kami sa labas. Papunta kami ng IKEA. Finally, malamig na sa loob. Wala nang kainit-init. So, ayan. Kasi uwian ng mga estudyante kasi this time. So, medyo maingay sa bus. It's like 30 minutes ride galing sa aming tahanan papuntang IKEA. So many times like riding. So now we're here, guys. Oh my God. Wow, so hot. Oh my. Ang init. Grabe. So, ang init, guys. Maglalakad na naman kami papunta sa IKEA. So, grabing init, guys. Kaninang umaga umuulan. Tapos ngayon, sobrang init na naman. It's running sa kalawakan. So, yun guys, walang traffic. At wala ding traffic sa kabala. So, ayan. Lalakarin namin. Oh. Really limit about kainit, guys. So, ayan. Dito kami sa dadaan kasi napakainit yung panahon. As in, super init siya, guys. So, ayan. You didn't bring your umbrella. So hot. So malayo pa ang lalakarin namin guys papuntang IKEA. Binagyo yata yung mga bike dito. So yan. Lakad-lakad tayo guys. At sobrang init. Sisira itim na nga tayo. Papainit pa. Lalo tayo umiitim nito. Oh my God. So, ayan. Ay. Hindi ka na sanay maglakad-lakad. Hinihinga ka na sa konting lakaran. Tapos akit pa ng hagdanan. Diba sobrang init. Nakakaano. Sakit sa ulo yung init. Hindi makayanan. Masakit man sa akin ang aking nararamdaman. Bakit mo kasi ako iniwan? Charot lang, charot lang. Yung alaga ko wala pakialam sa init guys, grabe. Samantalang yung yaya niya, my God. Init na init. Palamigin nyo naman ang nangiinit yung araw. Shumish. I see it in your eyes. May nakasalubong akong afam. So, syempre, malapit na tayo sa IKEA. Dari ko, Otsuko ramen. Otsuko ramen. So, yun na guys. Sa IKEA na ako. Ang ganda na bulaklak guys. So, lapit na kami sa IKEA. Sobrang init. Grabe. Hindi babangbang. Ang init ng panahon. Kasi, kailangan natin yung sa Pinas, babagyo na dyan. Dito naman ang init. Siyempre, wala nang masabi eh.
Bigas mo?
Wala nang masabi. Kahit din ako maghihirap.
Gawa ni Kailin?
Ayan na guys. It's IKEA time. So excited na yung alaga ko. Gutom na yata siya guys. Hindi siya nag-lunch kasi may food siyang gustong kainin dito. It's like fish and chips. Favorite niya. So, wow. Pasko na yung paligid. So, asa na yun? Asa na yung aking napakakulit na alaga? Okay, darling. You choose. You get two only.
That's also free.
Huh?
It's free.
Oh, free. Your favorite meatball, guys. 19? You said like... Wait. Okay, you get that. Basket. $5. Okay, one of this and one hot dog. It's cost only $5. You get one hot dog. I give you the money, then you have to pay there. Here, you pay, and then I give you the members. Wait. So, ayan, you have to line up colettes for your meatballs. Sarap ng mga tinapay dito, guys. Zintig. Ang sarap ng ano. Ang sarap ng cupcake, guys. Wow. Ito pa dito, sarap. Wow. Ang sarap. Sarap ng muffins, guys. They're muffins. Ito. This one also. So yummy. Do not. Can you buy? So, ayan guys, bit-bit na niya yung favorite niya. Hotdog bread and meatballs. Now, we're done buying, guys. So, we're done buying meatballs. So, bibili na naman siya ng food niya. Yung favorite niyang fish and chips. Asan na ba yung fish and chips? Fish and chips. Sa IKEA Singapore, guys. Did you buy fish and chips? Okay. What else did you buy? Darling, can you press, please? That's it. No. I don't like the starch. This is what we have. Yeah. Hot dog bread.
Yeah.
What else did you buy? What is that?
Fish and chips and macaroni.
You don't want to buy ice cream? Okay. Can you open this? What's in there? Oh, fish and chips. And that one. So, yun na nga guys. Tapos na kaming bumili ng aming mga kailangan at kumain. Ngayon kami naman ay uuwi na. So, wala. Patay sa sobrang inat. Woods. So, uwi na kami guys. Aray ko. What happened to my... It's still the same. Hindi sa init mga madi. So, uwi na kami guys. Dahil tapos na kaming bumili ng aming kailangan. And tapos na rin kami kumain. So, lakad ulit tayo sa mainit na panahon. Hindi ko kinaya yung init, grabe. Supa-dupa init. What's up? Where are you sitting? Ethan, don't go that way. It's look like it's a malunggay, guys, but it's not malunggay. Para talaga siya malunggay. Kala mo malunggay. Ay nako. Let's go home. It's very hot outside. I hope we can take the bus, like I hope we can catch the bus, the double-decker bus. So here we are today, like we always dream, starting out our lives forever. So ayan guys, pauwi na kami. and lots of people. Huh? Ba't nakita lang? Lagi napapaligiran ng puno. So, uwi na kami, guys. We're going home. Grabe. Pagod yung init. Ethan! You must be careful, you know? Stop! You're gonna hurt your legs. See the TT. We're on the road. We're moving from place to place. Open times when I'm about to call it home. We'll have to move along. Life is a constant change. Friends we know, we met along the way. Time, open arms, not to going home. We have to move along. Life is a constant change. Okay guys, we're here. Bye bye.